Hello everyone, I'm back with another basics video, and today we are doing vegan French toast. So we are going to first start by making our vegan egg. I'm using the Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. I will link it down below, and I'm just following the instructions on the back of the bag. Just mix it up with some water, set it aside, and it will thicken. Then we are going to add in some non-dairy milk. I'm using an almond cashew blend, but you can use any non-dairy milk you like. And then we're gonna add in some nutritional yeast, coconut sugar, cinnamon, and turmeric. The turmeric will help give a nice golden color, and sugar, cinnamon, classic French toast flavors. And then we're gonna add in our thickened up vegan egg. I know it looks kind of gross actually, but it comes out great. And then we're gonna add in some vanilla extract and just whisk that all together. We're gonna whisk it on up until it's really nice and well incorporated together, and then we can move on to soaking our bread. So this is the bread I'm using. I cut some about 5-day-old Italian bread into nice thick slices, and these were perfect. You can use any bread you like, whatever you have. Just make sure it's old, stale bread. That's what works best for French toast. So you're just gonna dip it in the liquid for a few seconds per side. I did about 10 seconds per side. And those little white spots are just the vegan egg. I didn't do a great job mixing it because I was focusing on filming, so don't worry, they cooked off, it's not a big deal. But you can soak it for as long as you like. I'd say anywhere between 5 to 10 seconds. The older your bread, the longer you can soak it for, the more stale and hard it is, just because we don't want our French toast to turn all soggy when we cook it in the pan. So now we are going to turn the stove on a low medium heat. I'm just putting some coconut oil cooking spray in there. You could also just use like a teaspoon of oil. And now we are going to add in our French toast slices. So you're gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's gonna turn nice and golden brown. Also, don't be alarmed, but the coconut sugar can take on a little bit of a red hue, as you see here. So if you use coconut sugar, it will do that. You can use any sugar you like though, brown sugar, cane sugar. So I'm just flipping these over. As you can see, they're nice and crispy. They have that like nice webby, like French toast looking side to it. And you're just gonna cook the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then that is it. These are pretty much done. So I am just going to serve this up with some fresh strawberries, powdered sugar, and maple syrup. But of course, use anything you like: bananas, nuts, vegan whipped cream, vegan yogurt. I mean, the options are literally endless. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Our French toast is all done, and it's looking really, really beautiful and delicious. And yeah, as always, the full recipe is on my blog. There's a link to that in the description box down below. All the ingredients will be listed out. If you make this, you can tag me on Instagram. And here is some delicious maple syrup eating action. This was so good, approved by non-vegans. You guys definitely have to try it. I know you're really gonna like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.